Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the slow startup on your computer. I mean, like, it is taking so long to load or your application or the background services on your Windows. So the thing is, it's so easy. You need to go to startup apps. It will get this one. Then you will have those informations. You don't need all this one that is. All what you need to do is to go right click task manager, then go to startup apps, remove this one. Just think is all the application when you are starting your computer, those application load this with you. So the thing is, I don't need Opera, just disable on the startup when the Windows is launching. I don't need Cloud, just disable it. I don't need Copilot, uh, and so on. This is the best formula how to fix the slow startup on Windows. I hope you like the video, like, share and subscribe.